Tonight, Elon Musk makes one of his riskiest bets ever.
Digital currency is becoming a big investment item, and for quite a while it has been gaining momentum. What name comes across your mind when you hear cryptocurrency? Let me guess, Bitcoin. Well, that's because Bitcoin is on fire. On December 16th, 2020, the price of Bitcoin hit $20,000 for the first time. On January 12th, it hit a record high of $41,973. If you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2010, it would be worth $287.5 million today. So you did miss that chance, but is now still a good time to invest in Bitcoin? Yes, and we're going to talk all about that in today's video. Bitcoin began its journey on a computer in 2008, and Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym, is regarded as a founder of Bitcoin. It was designed to use a medium for daily transaction and a way to circumvent the traditional banking infrastructure after the 2008 financial collapse. During its first year, miners or computers involved in cryptocurrency creation traded bitcoins for fun. The first purchase was done in 2010 as a man bought 2 Papa John's pizzas worth $25 for 10,000 bitcoins, making 4 bitcoins equal to 1 penny. Man, what would the reaction of that guy be today if he knew he threw away over $280 million for 2 pizzas? Now it is a digital currency that is used by online firms and big businesses worldwide. The working procedure of a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. is pretty simple. After all, it is exactly similar to transferring money from one online bank account to another. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, a way of sending data in cyberspace. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not regulated by a government or central banks. This is great because cryptocurrencies are global, meaning they have the same value in every country. This feature makes them much easier to transfer across the globe without the headache of exchange rates. Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file that is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or a computer. People can transfer those from their digital wallet, and every transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. Bitcoins are still in an early stage of development. It appears that institutional investors are hoping to get on the ground floor of this relatively new digital currency. Bitcoin's current roller coaster ride may attract the bullish risk-on appetites of stock traders, but eventually it might replace gold as a safe haven. Its value today is only a tiny fraction of the market. Many analysts are suggesting that Bitcoin has much more room to grow than gold and will continue to attract big money in search of high returns in an era of low yields. Just similar to how the world adapted to the internet, and as most businesses are prioritizing their online or internet presence, Bitcoin is also being adapted by our society. More and more businesses are ready to use Bitcoin as their primary currency. In February, Tesla founder Elon Musk announced that his company has purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and will begin accepting payments in the cryptocurrency. He also tweeted, "Bitcoin is my safe word." Deutsche Bank, one of the world's leading financial companies, has predicted that the cryptocurrency could replace cash entirely by 2030. We can expect to see more investment dollars make their way into acquiring assets like Bitcoin. A recent survey from Blockchain Capital shows millennials are much more likely to buy, hold, and use Bitcoin. On top of that, the majority of them have not even hit their prime earning years yet. As a new generation is evaluating where and how to invest their money, Bitcoin is increasingly part of the mix. Like conventional currencies, not any government or company owns Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a public currency that achieved that kind of huge popularity, but to use it you need the government's approval. Bitcoins are allowed to be used in most countries, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, and almost all European countries. This means Bitcoin is legally verified to be used in transactions and storing your assets. Bitcoin has won the trust of governments worldwide because of its high security features and honesty. Investment is actually easy. Take the stock market as an example. You need a vast amount of time in the stock market to get the grip of the process. You can luckily gain some money, or at most probably lose some money. But Bitcoin's investment is very easy, and no special skills are required to become an investor. If you are a beginner, you can just start investing in Bitcoins by choosing the correct platform. It is far more comfortable and convenient to use. In the Bitcoin transactions, there are no third parties involved. Only a sender and a receiver are involved in the transaction. This keeps your transaction data safe. Once the transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or removed. Bitcoin payments are very easy and secure, and it is only you who can access your Bitcoins. With all the benefits shown by Bitcoin, more and more people are ready to invest in it. The demand for Bitcoin is increasing, so the price of Bitcoin will always keep on increasing. Keep in mind that Bitcoin's future is bright as more and more people are willing to invest in it. Although many cryptocurrencies are showing up, Bitcoin has gained a high number of people's trust and is regarded as the backbone of all cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is a sector with huge potential, and more people are getting involved, trying to make this the next standard currency. It is still a good time to invest in Bitcoin, and it won't disappoint you. Trust Elon Musk. So that's it, guys. Here ends our video. Hope we could give you a proper idea about Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and be sure to hit that subscribe button.